In 2017, I weighed 400 pounds. I was scheduled for gastric bypass because I was very unhealthy. I couldn't lose weight, all diets had failed me, and I was very depressed.
I have Hashimoto's, hypothyroidism, SIBO, and Candida, and I didn't have a clue of what to do.
I've been bloated and not feeling good, anxious, and I've been trying every recipe, every diet, nothing worked.
I used to suffer from near constant bloating and poor digestion, brain fog, and afternoon tiredness.
I've actually struggled with autoimmune issues for probably about 18 years now. It got to the point where I was on so many different medications, they wanted to put me on even more aggressive medicine.
I immediately noticed that I was sleeping way better. I was just able to hit the pillow and fall asleep quickly.
For the first time in my life, I am not pre-hypertensive, so my blood pressure went down a ton.
My day-to-day energy was more even. My bloating had disappeared. I could think more clearly and was more motivated than ever. Plus, the icing on the cake was that as my body seemed to balance out, I dropped 23 pounds of weight with no effort whatsoever.
I was back to feeling normal. My bloating was down, my energy level was up, I was back down to a size 3.
Now I can enjoy food, feel good, not get sick every time after I eat. It took all my guesswork out. I'm just blown away by this test and what it's done for me.
My mood improved. People around me were, especially those closest to me, noticed that I just wasn't nearly as irritable as I had been.
3 weeks into it, I started to feel a little bit better. 5 weeks, even better. I just got recent tests back and my inflammatory levels actually came back lower than a normal person without autoimmune issues.
Weight just started flying off. The first few months I was losing on an average of 30 pounds a month. And as I stand here today, I've lost 180 pounds. I feel fantastic. My acne has disappeared. It's just been an amazing transformation.
If anyone's listening to this, please just take the test.
If you follow this as best as you can have some pretty outstanding results.
Trust the process and everything else will fall into place.
It's so easy. Do it.